So what are you going to show us here?
I'm going to show you how to rake a padlock.
Okay, rake a padlock. So explain to us what you're doing here.
Basically picking lock, just keeping tension on the cylinder, and as you drag these jagged points across the pins, they'll bind up between the cylinder and the housing. You do that a couple of times, eventually you'll set all the pins like that and they'll just pop right open.
Okay. Do you think you could do that one more time?
Sure. It's just putting tensioning on it. Start.
Well, that one's got the mushroom.
This one's going to want to be difficult.
Good, and show us the tool that you're using. Hold this up for us.
Chosen tool is that pick.
Okay.
This happy little tensioner right here.
Good, excellent. Thanks a lot.
No problem.